A jet so fast, so powerful, that no bomber could outrun it. Built in the Cold War, yet still terrifying today. In this video, you'll see why the MiG-31 remains unmatched. Let's dive in. In the 1970s, the Soviet Union needed a bomber killer. The MiG-25 was fast, but it had limits. The answer was the MiG-31. A heavy interceptor built to hunt at supersonic speed, day or night, in any weather, but speed was only half the story. Twin D-30 F6 engines push 34,000 pounds of thrust each, launching this jet to Mach 2.8, almost 3,000 kilometers per hour. It can climb to 67,000 feet, high enough to strike spy planes and cruise missiles, and what it carries makes it even deadlier. The MiG-31's teeth are 33 missiles striking from 160 kilometers away. Upgraded are 37 missiles, double that range to over 300 kilometers. Its secret weapon is the Zoslin radar, the first fighter radar able to track 10 targets and destroy for at once. In 1981, no Western jet had anything like this. This isn't a dogfighter, it's a sniper. The MiG-31 patrols Russia's Arctic at supersonic speed, linking with other Foxhounds to cover thousands of kilometers of airspace. If you're a bomber pilot, this is your worst nightmare, and it didn't stop evolving. Today's MiG-31 BM upgrades its radar, cockpit, and weapons. The MiG-31K carries the Kinzhal hypersonic missile, capable of striking targets at Mach 10, a 40-year-old jet turned into a modern missile platform. The MiG-31 Foxhound isn't just fast. It's a Cold War legend that never stopped being deadly. If you love aviation, hit like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next jet that could challenge the Foxhound.